Hey everyone, I'm Jake Roberts with Royal LePage State Realty, the Girard team. Welcome to 4450 Fairview Street, located in East Burlington, close to highway access, Appleby GO, Nelson Park, and all other amenities. This fantastic move-in ready condominium offers a spacious 1-bedroom plus den, ample storage, and an open floor plan for entertaining. The den can be transformed into a 2nd bedroom or a home office if you're working from home. Once again, I'm Jake Roberts with Royal LePage. If you have any questions or would like to arrange a safe and private tour, please give me a call. Thanks.